These are the steps to reset the oil service reminder in a Kia Telluride. It is buried deep down in the menus. So step by step, here's where we go. First of all, you press the start button twice. So the car is fully powered up, but it's not started. You cannot, if you start the car, then it won't work. So now you go to setup, then vehicle, scroll down to convenience, and then right here where it says service interval, press that and it expands, and I just reset this one. But if you push reset, then you get the pop-up to say yes or no, you want to reset it. And now it's reset. Back yourself back out, and you're done.